How to book a flight with Klarna. So before anything, you gotta put in mind that it pretty much depends on where you're booking this flight, since not all websites or travel tools will support Klarna. So you can use Klarna on travel sites like Expedia or alternative airlines. Just go ahead and check if Klarna is available in the payment methods. But anyways, you can go ahead and put in the basic details. So whatever you do normally, just search for your flight, use any supported travel site or airline website, and then what matters the most is your checkout. So review everything, and then once you're in your checkout, you will be able to see the payment section and then the payment method. You're gonna have to look for something like this. It's going to be different from different flight platforms or travel sites, as long as you can find Klarna. So you can choose from the Klarna options like paying in 12 months or in 4 or 6, pretty much depends on the options available. Just find the one that says Klarna, of course. Then that's pretty much it. As long as you have enough credit in your Klarna, you can choose that option and then just connect your Klarna account to whichever travel site you're in. But that's pretty much the process on how you can use Klarna to book a flight. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.